Hello mga ka-MP, mga ka-DDS! Kanina nga napanood na natin ang Miss Universe 2025 live. Pero syempre gusto ko talaga ulit i-review bago ako magbigay ng final ranking. Iba kasi kapag binalikan mo, mas marinig mo ng malinaw ang delivery, mas kita ang confidence, at mas maunawaan kung sino talaga ang naka-answer ng diretso sa tanong. Kaya pagkatapos kong panooring mabuti ang top 5 answers, eto ang final ranking ko based sa 50% beauty and 50% content. Walang bias, walang personalan, pure evaluation lang. Pure performance at pure Q&A analysis. Thailand. Her message was about resilience, rising up from struggle, becoming your own shield, and lighting the light for others. Inspirational siya pero medyo general, broad, at kulang sa specific plan about empowering young girls. Ang delivery naman niya very confident, strong aura, powerful presence, pero halata nga memorized, slightly rehearsed, at saka medyo pageantry, cliche ang wordings. Strength niya, strong confidence, great stage presence, solid energy. Ang weakness naman niya, too broad, little connection to real-world action. Walang clear program or concrete empowerment plan. Overall, inspirational pero kulang sa substance. Philippines. Ang content niya, this is the most concrete answer among the top 5. Nag-mention siya ng real advocacy, real organization, Allen Academy, real work with low-income youth, and a specific plan to expand this through the Miss Universe platform. This is exactly what Miss Universe judges look for. Clarity, authenticity, actionable advocacy. Delivery niya, confident, calm, concise, and very natural. Very Miss Universe ang dating. May purpose, may puso, may specifics. Ang strength naman niya, clear message, concrete, real-world advocacy, strong delivery, directly answers the question. Weaknesses niya, slightly short ang delivery, but strategic, not rambling. The safest answer pero judges love clarity. Overall, most complete answer. Substance plus clarity plus purpose. Venezuela. Ang content niya, she talk about education, communication, and how her life experiences formed her. Inspirational pero medyo vogue, and kulang sa actionable details like programs or real example. Delivery niya, graceful, elegant, and very queenly. Pero mahina ang impact kumpara sa iba. Strength niya, classic queen tone, elegant delivery, speaks with warmth. Weaknesses niya, general, not specific about young girls, lacks of clear plan or direction. Overall, beautiful delivery, but not the strongest content. Mexico, ang content niya, very emotional, very heartfelt, very empowering. Theme is authenticity, dreams, and self-worth. But again, medyo broad, motivational, and doesn't present a real platform-based plan. Delivery, beautiful voice, heartfelt, nakatouch siya og heart. Pero inspirational speech siya, not a concrete advocacy answer. Strength niya, strong emotional impact, great diction, inspiring tone. Weaknesses, lacks specifics, not aligned fully with the question, more motivational than strategic. Overall, powerful emotion, pero hindi siya the most complete answer. Cote d'Ivoire. Puta, unsa ni pag-pronounce ay Cote d'Ivoire. Content niya, this is a strong, empowering, identity-driven answer. She talk about representation, culture, modern plus traditional balance, and being a role model. Very powerful ang messaging niya. Bold, unapologetic, aspirational. Delivery, confident, strong, queenly. Her presence is very Miss Universe. Strength niya, very clear identity, strong empowerment message, excellent delivery. Weaknesses niya, still general, no complete program, Emotion-based, not advocacy-based. Overall, strong delivery and representation angle, pero kulang sa structure. Okay, so this is my ranking based on 50% beauty and 50% content. Top 1, Philippines. Most complete. Real organization. Real advocacy. Clear understanding of platform. Direct answer to empowering girls. Top 2, Cote d'Ivoire. Puta. Very powerful representation message. Strong delivery, big impact. Top 3, Thailand. Strong presence, pero broad ang answer. Top 4, Mexico. Emotional and beautiful, pero kulang sa specifics. Top 5, Venezuela. Elegant delivery, pero weakest content. The rightful winner should be the Philippines. Why? Because Miss Universe wants a queen with a clear advocacy, a working organization, a plan that can be executed, authenticity, substance, purpose-driven leadership. Si Philippines lang ang nagbigay ng real-life, actionable, platform-based answer. So ayan mga ka-MP, yan ang aking final ranking pagkatapos kong i-review paulit-ulit ang Final 5 Q&A. Pero syempre, open tayo sa discussion. Kung iba ang ranking mo, comment mo na sa baba. Gusto ko malaman kung sino ang top 1 mo at bakit siya ang deserving para sa'yo. Maraming salamat ladies and gentlemen. This is Miko Poge. Bye-bye!